Last week, guys, we were selling this. Okay, guys, and actually the price went nowhere, and it almost hit a bearish target. So the price has been ranging. It's just like the euro. The last whole week was just a bunch of range. That is why we were very undecisive. The price was unable to go to any side. So the question remains, guys, what are we going to do next week? And I guess that is the only main question we have right now. Let's take a screenshot for the AI first. Once we do this, upload it. Run analysis. Now I have added four new AI agents to make it stop from hallucinating. So there's that. Anyways, guys, in my opinion, guys, what I see is, because we are at a daily support area, I kind of feel like, guys, as long as the price stays above 1.34357, guys, I am bullish, and my target, guys, would be 1.35756, and guys, my next target would be 1.36622. Do keep in mind, guys, we have a geopolitical crisis ongoing in the Middle East, so we may get gaps, we may get sudden moves, so be careful with that, anyways. And guys, if we break below 1.34357, guys, I think we will be seeing 1.33470 and 1.32820. Let's see what the AI says, because sometimes the AI is correct, sometimes I am correct, sometimes we both agree on the same thing. It's evaluated. So here's the analysis. Overall bias is neutral. Okay. So actionable bullish target. This is the next major wave from it to serve as a micro target for current support holds and peaks above the recent high of 1.5380. Okay, let's go to the chart. Okay. Validation zone is 1.34396. Okay, guys. So meaning, guys, it has the same support as me, and its bullish target is 1.35750, same as mine. It only has one target, which is same as mine. And if we break below 1.34396, we will be going for 1.3340 according to it. Its zone is a bit lower. Yeah, it's almost the same thing. So the AI is same. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow or next week, whatever you call it.